Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see how to prepare cheesy potato bites. This will taste so good and it will definitely become your kids' favorite recipe. First let us get ready with the toppings. For the toppings we need few chopped onions, few chopped tomatoes, a little amount of fresh sweet corn, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of pepper powder and the required amount of salt. Mix this well and set this aside. For the base I am going to take around 4 boiled potatoes. Let us mash this. This is ready, it is finely mashed. Now to this add 1 egg. Half a teaspoon of pepper powder, the required amount of salt, half a teaspoon of oregano and 2 tablespoons of butter. Give everything a nice mix. The potato mix is ready. We are going to prepare the recipe with and without oven. I am going to preheat this for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Let us cut some mozzarella cheese and keep it ready. I am going to fill the potato mix in a cone, and if you don't have this type of cone, you can very well use plastic sheets. And do remember, we are not going to decorate a cake. Here I am going to make a simple base out of this. So homemade plastic cones or even milk packets will be very useful for shaping this. Shaping the base is over. Now let us fill some mozzarella cheese. Now fill some toppings. Meanwhile the oven got preheated. Now let us place the tray inside. And here we are going to bake this at 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now let us see how to prepare this without oven. I am going to use an idli tray, so I am greasing the same. Repeat the same procedure for the base and the toppings. Place this inside the pressure cooker, and without the whistle and the gasket, you are going to bake this for 2 to 3 minutes in high flame and then in low flame for about 15 to 20 minutes. So here our oven potato bites are ready. We can take it out now. And this is our cooker version. So here our potato bites are ready. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.